Ashley. Today we're unboxing Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for December. This is their Oh What Fun package. If you're not familiar with these are $25 a month. They include 5 full-size beauty products, one of which you will select. And they do send this to me for review, just so you guys know. And I love it. It's got like a $200 value or $150 or something for $25, so it's a really good deal. And I kind of saw what was in here just because I had to get the Ipsy Glam Bag out first, but I don't really know, so all right. Anyway, oh what fun. Glittery eyeshadow and merry manicures. Between all the office parties, family get-togethers, and white elephant potlucks, now's the time to bring out your most festive looks. Whether you're celebrating virtually or IRL, we want to see your best holiday glam, and then you can tag Ipsy, blah, 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 blah. All right. So first up, I have this product. I haven't used it, but I have this product. This is the Kat Burki Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. So this is a vitamin C cream. I don't know if it has hyaluronic acid in it. I'm sorry. First of all, I have a hair in my mouth. Ugh. I don't know if I feel like I say this way too much, but I can't tolerate hyaluronic acid, so I have to like look over the entire ingredients list before I use it. This does not seem to have that, but that's nice. So this is a big thing of cream. It is 1.7 ounces, so the box I think is bigger than it appears. All right, then we have, these are the Patchology Serve Chilled Rosé Sheet Masks. Sheet masks are another thing that very often they include hyaluronic acid. I did not realize that until I started looking into it. Once I read, yep, sodium hyaluronate. So these are a no for me, but they sound like they'd be amazing, and it's kind of sad, to be honest. I wish I could use them. All right, next up we have the MOTD Cosmetics brushes. So these have like a, the ferrule is like a, what is that called? I don't know. Unicorny kind of a feel to them. So it looks like you have like highlight, contour, all that kind of stuff, face brushes, and you know, just touch up brushes you can go in with. Very cute. I do have a couple brushes from MOTD that I really love, like my blush brush that I use every time I put on makeup is MOTD. I love it. It's a great brush. It's just perfect. So yeah, I'm excited to try those out. All right. Then we have, this is from Tarte. This is their Quick Stick Shadow and Liner in rose gold, luster, and brown. So it is a shadow stick with a liner, and these are both waterproof or smudge proof or whatever they said. I don't remember now. Ooh, that's pretty. The eyeshadow is very pretty. I'll try to put a picture in for you guys. And then the liner. Oh, very nice. Now we'll see if it smudges. By the end of the video, I'll rub it around and see. So I'm excited to try that out. I'm always looking for things that I can wear to work that won't like budge over hours, you know? All right, finally we have the Ciate, the Velvet palette. This is a 12-piece eyeshadow palette. I feel like I have one that's just like this. I don't know if I'm right or not. It's the same color. Did we just get this in something else? Am I doing a deja vu? Oh, yeah, I think I have this. I'm not gonna touch it. It's beautiful. I'm pretty sure I own it. So if I do, I'm gonna give it to my daughters for Christmas. Anyway, all right. Well, there is everything that I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag for Glam Bag Plus, I should say, for December. And we can't forget the bag, guys. So we have their drawstring bag. So it says hooray. It's pink and orange. It's very cute, and everything fits in there. So we have our Ciate palette, very cute. We have our Kat Burki vitamin C cream. We have our Patchology Rosé masks. We have our brushes, 2 brushes with 4 total brushes, and then the Tarte liner, all for $25. So I think that's great. Let me know if you subscribe to Ipsy down below and what you got in yours this month. I'm excited to find out. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.